Dear student, in this video, we are going to discuss in GK chapter number 5, traditional art form of India. One by one, we will discuss about the description has given to us what are the speciality of particular art form of India, and according to that, we need to be identify that painting. We have to identify the traditional styles of painting from India with the help of the given clues. So the first picture which has shown to us, here you can see this is the first picture, and the description of that picture has shown to us that the style of painting flourished in Gujarat during the 18th century. It is noted for its variety, clarity, and use of rich colors. It was the influence of Chinese artists that made it very popular across the region. The style of painting revolves around the brightly colored glasses of different pattern. What is the name of that art? It has shown to you here in picture number 1. What is the name of that art? The name of the art is called Varli. That is called Varli. Now we will move on to the second one, and second picture has shows to us here is this is our second picture. There you can see this is the second picture, and we need to be identify this. What is this art form all about? So description has given of this artist. It is one of the most well-known form of tribal arts, both at the national and international levels. It is named after a tribe that lives in the mountains as well as the coastal areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat border. And according to that, what is the name of that painting? The name of art form of the painting is known to be as glass. The name of that art form is glass. The third form which we have given, that is the third picture has shown to us, and according to that we have to be identify what is the name of that art form. Here the description has given to us. It is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Bihar. It is equally popular in some parts of the Nepal. This painting is created with fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pans, and matchsticks, using natural dyes and pigments. Geometrical patterns are mostly used in this style of painting. The uniqueness of this painting is that it used the geometrical pattern. Mostly the geometrical pattern is used in that style. What is the name of that style? The name of that style is Madhubani. The name of that style is called Madhubani. Now we will move on to the next slide and identify more style form. Now if you are going through that picture, and according to that picture we have to be identify what we have given in that style of art form. The description has given to us. It is a traditional painting of Odisha, the state of Odisha. The painting of this art form are especially inspired by the Jagannath temple of Puri. The painting is done on the canvas, which is prepared using a mixture of chalk and gum with tamarind seeds. The colors used in the painting are bright and vibrant. That means particularly that traditional art form is related to the state of Odisha, and we had to identify according to the description what is the name of that art form. That art form is called the Pat Chitra, that is known to be as a Pat Chitra. Now we will move to the next art form, and we had to be identified. As you can see in that there is the another art form has given to us. This is the picture of the art form, and we have to be identify this. So here the description has given to us. These paintings refer to the work of art executed in tiny size and great detail. These are mainly associated with the state of Rajasthan, where they are still in practice. These paintings reflect the lifestyle of Rajputana tradition. That means that particular description which has given in this paragraph, that has related to the state of Rajasthan, in which the lifestyle of the Rajputana tradition has reflected in this painting. So the name of that painting is known to be, and still now it is practiced into the state of Rajasthan. What is the name? The name of that particular art form is known to be as miniature. It is called the miniature painting. The next art form has given to us, and the description of that particular art form has given to us. That is the picture. This is the pictures which has given to us, and that is the picture we have shown to us. The style of painting is a unique blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic style. It emerged The style of painting is a unique blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic styles. It emerged, developed and spread during the period of the Mughals. Humans, plants and animals are realistically depicted in the form of art. Basically, that art form is developed in the era of Mughals. That means in the period of Mughals that art form is developed, and in that art form humans, plants and animals are the unique part of that painting, and the name of that painting is known to be as Mughals. That means the art form of painting is called the Mughals. Once again I repeat to you, what are the different art forms? The art form which has we define in point number 1, that point number 1, the art form is known to be as a Varli. In point number 2, the art form which has been described, that is called glass. The art form number 3 which has been described, that is called Madhubani. Point number 4 in which the art is described, it is called Pat Chitra. It is related to Odisha. Fifth, describe is known to be as a miniature, and that is related to state of Rajasthan. And the last painting which is describe the art form, that is called the Mughal. So these are the description, and these are the different art forms of our country, the traditional Indian form of our country. Now we will move on to the next chapter, and chapter number 6, all about Punjab and Haryana. That means in that chapter we have given some key points or key features about the particular these two states, Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana are the two states located in North India. They share a common capital city is called Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is centrally governed, and it is also a union territory. There are more such interesting facts and about the two states has given, and we will find out one by one. Now, first of all, we will go for the states of Punjab, the land of five rivers. It is also called the land of five rivers. The word Punjab is derived from the Persian word punch, that is five, and about, that is water. Ab means water. These denote the five rivers Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. The Greeks referred to Punjab as a panto, pan, Pentapotamia as an island of delta of five converging rivers. The holiest of six shrines, Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple, is in Amritsar, Punjab. Of the five Takhts of Sikhism, there are in Punjab Sri Akal Takht Sahib, Damdama Sahib, and Anandpur Sahib. These are the three sahibs are there. Amritsar in India attracts more tourists than the visitor to the Taj Mahal. Punjab is called the granary of India and the bread basket of India. Bread basket of India. Granary of India and the bread basket of India. Milk processing plant at Moga, Amritsar, is the largest in the Punjab with the processing capacity of 4,35,000 liters. Dera Basai, Ludhiana, is called the Manchester of India. Batla, known for cast iron and mechanical machinery, was once called the Iron Bird of India. Mandi, Gobindgarh of Fatehgarh Sahib district, is called the Steel Town as it has the largest number of steel rolling of plants. Kila Rajpur Sports Festival, popularly known as the Rural Olympics, is held annually near Ludhiana in Punjab. The highest number of car ownership per 1,000 population is in Chandigarh, which 82 cars per 1,000 people. So these are the speciality and some key points which has been described about Punjab. Now we will move on to the next state, that is called the Haryana, the abode of God. The word Haryana comes from Sanskrit Hari for Hindu god Vishnu and Ayana, that is home of many scholars. Many scholars believe it means Hari from Sanskrit Harit, that is green, and Anya Aranya from Sanskrit meaning forest. From forest, that's why the name has given the Haryana. Haryana is the land of Brahmavatra, where the Vedic scriptures were written. The battleground of Kurukshetra is located here. Rakhi Gari is a village in Haryana, Hisar district. It is one of the sites of the largest and oldest civilization of India, Indus Valley Civilization. Many believe that Rakhi Gari may have been the origin of Harappan civilization near the Ghaggar basin that gradually moved to the Indus River Valley. The first battle of Panipat, 1526, the second battle of Panipat, 1556, and the third battle of Panipat, 1761, are all part of Haryana history. Haryana earned the title of Gateway of North India. Haryana is also referred as the Gateway of North India. Haryana is the first state in India to have 100% rural electrification. Suraj Kund Craft Mela is internationally famous and is held from 1 to 15th February every year. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice, largest manufacturer of passenger cars, motorcycles, bicycles, refrigerators, scientific instruments, and tractors. The state has local offices of more than 300. Fortune. The state has local offices of more than 300 Fortune 500 companies. Haryana is a state that has no airport. That is very interesting that Haryana has no airport. It is often called the Green Belt of India for contribution to the Green Revolution. That means that is also referred to be the Green Belt of India, and which is contributing to the Green Revolution. These are the speciality has given to us in this slide about the Haryana. So these are the some importance of Punjab and Haryana has given to us. That's why the name of the chapter is given to us, all about Haryana. There you can see there are some pictures has also given to us. There are the pictures and there are some pictures has given to us, and it is described the particular thing. Like the first picture has shown to us, this is the picture which has described this. It is called the Killa Rajpur Sports Festival. That is the Killa Rajpur Sports Festival. In a similar manner, there you can see it is also called the wheat field. It shows the wheat field in Punjab. Then that is the picture which is very famous, and that is called the Golden Temple. It is the picture of Golden Temple is there. Next, we have given the picture related to the Haryana also. Here we can see that there is the picture has shown to us, that is called the Suraj Kund Craft Mela. This is the Suraj Kund Craft Mela. The next has given the Rakhi Gadi, which is it is related to the history, and you can see in that picture that is the Rakhi Gadi, and that is the place of the Rakhi Gadi, and it is the village where we can find out the Indus Valley civilization, and it has been also believed that it is the origin of the Harappan civilization. It is also the origin of Harappan civilization. That is the village where we are considering there, that is the Indus Valley civilization is there. So that are the speciality has given to us of the Haryana and Punjab. I hope you understand the traditional art form of India in chapter number 5 and all about Punjab and Haryana in chapter number 6. Thank you very much.